girls. How are you? I hope you are doing good, and I think from your side, a few members have shared their answers. It's very good, ma. So you did very correct only. And in the previous class, I said that I send the notes. I send the problems related to the each and every topic. But actually, I don't have Telugu Academy textbook. So. I have the textbook, but in college only, so that's why I cannot. So today or tomorrow, definitely I'll send that one. Okay. And see here, I'm going for the lecture number 16. And in the previous class, we discussed that the lecture number 15. So in that we discussed the concept of the inspection method. Right. So in a previous class, I gave the formulas related to the integrating factors. Right. So in integrating factors, nearly we have that 16 formulas. So if you know all those formulas, then you can solve the problems related to the concept of the method 1. So in this integrating factor, how many methods we have? We have the first method, that is nothing but by inspection. Here we are going to use the formulas only. That's why it is nothing but inspection method. Okay. And secondly, of course, we have, but after completing the problems related to the first one, we will go for the next method. Okay. So now here I want to say one thing to you. Actually, I am taking 6 classes per week. That means daily I am taking the class to you, right? So now onwards, what I am doing is Monday I post 3 classes. Okay. So that means 3 days classes like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I am not saying to you to listen all the classes at a time. Daily you can listen 1 class. Okay, only maths I am saying. Okay. So please observe that one. For example, why I am saying is today I am going to post 3 videos, right? So then by seeing that one, you definitely will get the confusion of what happened. Only 3 videos. So and mainly you will think that one video posted as thrice. No, not like that. So please observe that one, and here I will write the lecture numbers also. So please note down that and listen carefully. Okay. So now without any late, I am going to discuss the applications related to the inspection method. So now here, what is the inspection method generally? We have to use the formulas to solve the problems related to the differential equations of first order and first degree. Okay. Now here, I am taking that example. Solve 1 plus xy of y plus 1 minus xy of x dy. Yes. So now see clearly here I have that y dx and x dy. Now what I am doing is, see clearly. First of all, I am multiplying this y, then y dx plus xy square dx. Okay. Next here x dy minus x into x square y dy, which is equal to 0. I am writing that the values of y dx and x dy, the order, here the power of x and y is 1. That's why I am trying to write at a side y dx plus x dy, okay, plus xy square dx minus x square y dy is equal to 0. Now what I am doing is I am taking this as a one part. Okay. So now here why I am doing like this, I will give that one. So already I gave the formulas to you. So in that formula, just see that d of yx. What is this formula? Y dx plus x dy. So that's why here I am writing like this. Now can I write that directly here? This value is nothing but d of yx. Yes, we can. Next plus xy square dx minus x square y dy equal to 0. Okay. So now here actually I have like this. I don't have any formula for this one. So here what I am doing is just divide with the x square y square. We have to divide the entire equation with the x square y square. Then what we get now? Simply d of here also yx by x square y square plus xy square dx minus x square y dy whole divided by x square y square. You want separately, then you can split it. That's it. Okay. So now here what we get, d of 1 by, here what I'll get, and see clearly I have that the value is nothing but okay. So now d of x cancel, y cancel, so 1 by xy, okay, plus xy square by x square y square dx minus x square y dy by x square y square of is equal to 0. Now here d of 1 minus xy, then next what we have, plus, okay. So now here plus x get cancelled, so and y square get cancelled. Then simply what I'll get, 1 by x dx minus, here what I'll get, x square get cancelled, and I'll get that 1 by y dy equal to 0. So now here d of 1 by xy plus 1 by x dx minus 1 by y dy is equal to 0. So now here actually just check that the formula d of xy. Yeah. So actually we have that d of xy, but we don't have that yx, no. So if you observe clearly, we don't have yx. So that's why here what I am doing is, actually d of xy is nothing but x dy plus y dx. But here I have that y dx plus x dy. So for this what I am doing is, just I am changing the sign. That's it. Okay. So generally here, yeah. So now here generally what we get now. So to take this one, actually here we can write this as a y dx plus x dy. But coming to here we cannot write like that. So that's why here I am taking that simply minus. Okay. So now here what I will get, minus d by here minus. Okay. So now here it is minus. Now simply here I have that minus. So I am taking it inside. Okay, I forgot to take that one. Okay. Now I have to take the integration on both sides. By taking the integration on both sides, what I will get, d of minus 1 by xy plus integration of 1 by x dx integration of 1 by y dy equal to 0. Okay, so now here differentiation and integration will be cancelled. We will get that minus 1 by xy plus here what we get, log x minus log y equal to c here. Now what I am doing is minus 1 by xy plus log of, here what I have, log x minus log y. We can write it as a log x by y. So log x by y equal to c. Now here log of x by y equal to c plus 1 by xy. This is nothing but the required solution. Otherwise here you can take the LCM also, but no need. Simply it is enough. Okay. So this is nothing but the solution. Finally what we have read, which is required solution. Okay. Otherwise which is required equation. This is the procedure we have to follow to calculate the applications related to the inspection method. Just we have to observe the formula only. Okay. So now here I am going to solve another problem. Solve x cube e power x minus my square of dx plus mxy dy equal to 0. So how it is, ma'am? Simply we have that actually generally mdx plus mdy, but don't go with that one. Okay. So here we are solving the methods which are non-exact. Okay, and already I said that before this concept, we learned the exact equation concept, right? So in exact equations, what we have to take? Simply we have to take that m dx plus n dy form, and we have to check that dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x or not. And coming to here, if you want to check it, then you can check. See, don't write in this solution, just I am giving the clarity about this one, okay? So generally here what is m? M is nothing but x cube e power x my square. So now here dou m by dou y. So here what we get? Minus 2my. That's it. Next what is n here? Mxy. And here dou n by dou x is nothing but my. So are we getting both are equal? No, we are not getting. That's why I said that it is a non-exact equation, and we can solve the non-exact equations by using the different methods. Okay. So now you can write roughly this one. Okay. So which is here you can mention that which is a non-exact equation. So now here generally what we have to do? X cube e power x minus my dx minus my square dx plus mxy dy equal to 0. Now what I am doing is just I am dividing with the x cube, because here I have x cube and I don't have any formula for that. That's why. Okay. So now here e power x dx minus my square by x cube dx plus mxy by x cube of dy, which is equal to 0. Okay. So now here what we have, simply I have like this, no? So e power x dx, what I am doing is I am taking that minus, and here I am taking outside m common. Okay. So then what we get here? Y square dx plus xy dy whole divided by x cube. Can I write like this? Just I took that minus m common from these terms. So of course here we will get the integration of e power x easily, and next we have to think about this term. How we will get? So here also we have to get some integration formula, no? So then for what I have to do, simply I am taking the help of the formula, that is nothing but, see here I am writing a side, okay? And after that I will explain how we have to take this formula. D of y square by x square is equal to what we have, what we will get? 2x square y dy minus, okay, next 2x y square dx whole divided by x power 4. Clear? Now here what I have to get? Here I have that y square dx. So this term I have. If I multiply this minus to this side, then obviously see here I took minus. So here I get minus. Okay. So now here what I get? Same thing. No? So first of all here what I am doing is I am taking plus common. Okay. Instead of this one I will take that plus m. Then I will get that here it is plus and it is minus. Okay. So now understand clearly. Now e power x dx. Then next what we have? Plus m of what we have here, it is nothing but y square. So for positive value I am writing xy dy minus y square dx whole divided by x cube. Actually why I chosen this one? Because it is somewhat near to this one. Okay. Now actually what I have to get here? I have to get that for this one x square y dy I have. So here we don't have 2 and we don't have x square. So that's why what I am doing is I am multiplying and dividing with 2x. By x cube. So just multiplying by 2x and multiply and divide by 2x, that's it, which is equal to 0. Now here e power x dx plus, here see clearly what I am doing is I am taking this 2x inside, okay. So then what we get? M by, and here 2 is also here. Now simply I am taking that 2x of xy dy minus y square dx. Okay, and whole divided by, here I have x now, so x into x cube. Clearly I am writing, clearly step by step I am writing. Okay, so now here e power x dx plus m by 2 of, what I'll get, 2x square y dy minus 2xy square dx by x power 4, which is equal to 0. Now we have the same value or not? Yes. Now we have to take the integration on both sides. By taking an integration on both sides, we will get like this. M by 2 is a constant value, so integration of 2, here what is the formula first of all? E power x dx plus m by 2 of, this value is nothing but d of y square by x square equal to 0. First of all, we have to write the formula, and in terms of the differentiation, next we have to take the integration. So by taking integration of e power dx plus m by 2 integration of d of y square by x square, which is equal to some 0. Now integration of e power x is nothing but e power x plus m by 2, and here differentiation integration will be cancelled. Here we will get that y square by x square, which is equal to 0. Now here e power x plus m y square by 2x square, here it is 2c, which is equal to c. Now e power x into, here we will get that 2x square plus my square equal to c. That means 2cx square actually, right? Now what I am doing is 2 into e power x square plus my square, which is equal to 2c we have. So we can write it as a c1. So c1 x square. Clear? So this is nothing but the solution. So I want to check the answer. Yes, 2x square e power x plus my square equal to 2cx square. So they stop with this one, but you have to like this. Okay. So this is another problem which is related to the concept, that is simply bijection. Inspection method. Okay. So now next problem, write down now. Solve x dy minus y dx equal to x dy minus y dx equal to a of x square plus y square of dy. Okay, so this is nothing but the question. Now here first of all what I am doing is x dy minus y dx, I am taking this entire value to this side, minus a of x square plus y square dy is equal to 0. It is nothing but dx. Okay, clear? X dy minus y dx equal to, yes, yeah. Now here simply what I am doing is, clearly, actually here I have that x dy minus y dx, so which is nothing but somewhat formula, but if you observe the formula of d of tan inverse of y by x, in that we have some denominator. So that's why here what I am doing is simply I am dividing with, otherwise here divide with x square plus y square on both sides. Then x dy minus y dx, I am taking it as a one part, x square plus y square equal to a dy. Okay. So now clearly what I have, if you observe the formula, that is x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square is nothing but d of tan inverse of y by x. So simply I am taking that d of tan inverse of y by x, which is equal to a dy. Now what we have to do? We have to take the integration on both sides. Then integration of d of tan inverse of y by x. Okay, so which is equal to integration of a dy. Now differentiation integration will be cancelled. Now here tan inverse of y by x, which is equal to a integration of 1 with respect to y. It gives y plus c. Okay, so you can stop with this one, otherwise you can take this value to this one. Then finally what I will get? Tan inverse of y by x minus ay is equal to c. This is nothing but the required solution. Okay, so now like this we have to calculate the problems related to the method, that is inspection method. So here according to the problem we can take the formula, that is our wish. Just by seeing the terms in the question we can choose the formula. Okay, that's why I said you have to know the minimum few formulas at least. Okay, so now I hope it is clear to you. With the formulas only we can solve this method, otherwise we cannot. Okay, so now here I am trying to write the homework problems here, so please note down. Actually we don't have a lot of problems related to this one, but I am trying to give few. First check that it is satisfying exact equations or not, and after that you can. Okay, now write down y dx minus x dy plus log x dx is equal to 0. This is a one column, and yeah, that's it all. Only today I am giving one column which is related to the concept of the simply method 1. What is method 1? It is nothing but inspection method. So just once I want to recall the topic related to today. So generally here we have that exact equations and non-exact equations. In exact equations we have certain procedure to follow. That is nothing but we have to take that m dx plus m dy, and m and n are values, right? And the next we have to check that dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x or not. Okay, if it is equal, then simply you can take that the general solution as a integration of m dx plus integration of n dy is equal to c. And according to that conditions we have to follow. For the first term we have to take that the value, that is x, y as a constant, and for the second term integration n dy, in that if it contains any x term, that is nothing but we have to consider that value as a 0. Clear? And next, okay, so coming to the next topic, that is nothing but non-exact equations. So for this non-exact equation definitely we have to find a solution, but how? Simply here we have a methods to follow. What is the first method? Inspection method. So here just we have to use the formulas. According to the formulas we have to calculate the procedure. Okay, and we have to calculate the required solution. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. And if you have any doubts related to this one or previous topics, you can ask now. And one thing I want to say to you, already your seniors and super seniors got the exam timetable. Okay, they have the exams from the 8th of this month, that means from Thursday. So definitely they will conduct the exams to you also. So please better to prepare the previous sem also, and you will get the COVID pattern already I said to you. And in a first bit they'll ask the short answers, and in a second bit they'll ask the long answers. Okay, from each unit they'll ask. Only 4 questions they guess, and 2 questions you have to attempt. And in a first bit they'll give the 8 questions, and from that you have to attempt 4 to 5. Okay, so please try to understand. And if you have any doubts, already I think Niharika, she created a group. So if you have any doubts related to anything, especially mathematics, you can ask in that. Okay, I hope it is clear to you girls, and I hope that you will solve the problems related to this one. And one more thing, if you have any related any doubts related to this topic, don't ask personally. Okay, of course if you want to then you can, but what is my intention is, if you are asking one doubt, then maybe that doubt is maybe others also. If I clear to you in a group, okay, in a separate group which is created in a recent days. So in that group, if we discuss, then by that the other people also may know. Okay, I hope you got the point, and thank you guys, thank you very much. In the next class, we will discuss the next method, that is method 2. Okay, and I will post the homework problems related to this one in your group also. Otherwise, I will give in the class session. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day.